Hey, how are you? Today we are here to see how you can connect to the MuMu Player. MuMu Player is an Android emulator which used for Android gaming and some useful application for developer. So, first of all, you should know that you have access uh, to the MuMu Player. Just see the ADB is connected in port 555 and do some diagnosis. So just um, there's some setting you should do it before starting connecting to the ADB. The first one is you should just go to the network tab. Just a minute, there's a system crash here. Uh, so my system is crashed. Uh, just a minute. Okay, it's fixed. Um, as you can see in the device diagnosis, we can see the network information such as the ADB debug port, MuMu export IP address, and the computer export IP address. So this IP and these ports are important to us. Go to the networks, and network bridge mode should be on, and DHCP should be enabled. And you should make sure that you have the root feature. Okay, let's do that. When you download the ADB, you can just use the PowerShell. And when you have the ADB right now, you can see you have access to the ADB or not. So in normal cases, maybe you have access to the ADB by default. You can have access to the MuMu Player by default, something like this. But in most cases, you don't have access, right? Something like this. So you should do ADB kill server first, and then you should start server again. Okay, and if you just check the ADB devices, there is no devices here. Everything is normal right now. So the next part is you should use the ADB connect command to connect the ADB IP and port. What is the ADB IP address? If you remember that, actually I don't remember that. Okay, I just see here 192 168 192 168 65 and 167, and the port is 555. So as you can see, you are now connected to the ADB, and if you see the ADB devices, you can see that your devices is connected right now, and you can have the ADB shell. Okay, everything looks good. So just there is one alternative approach. If you don't like to use the ADB on your Windows machine, if you install any WSL system like Kali Linux or Ubuntu, you have the same situation here. Just to remember the IP address, I have installed ADB on the Kali Linux, and if I just see there is no devices here, and I can connect to the ADB with this command again, and now I have access to the ADB shell in my WSL virtual machine system. So that's it. I hope you have some fun with ADB and MuMuPlayer and do cool things. Please share, subscribe, and like our video and support us for creating more informative video. See you.